Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this orange teal color grade on CapCut PC. So to do that, I'm just going to add in a video of the beach. It looks better, like the color grading and stuff on it, so I'll just choose that. Go to filters and type in Las Vegas and just add it to the video and place it up to 100%. If you want to, you can also place it inside like this. Then to make more adjustments, go to the Adjustments tab. Scroll down and you're going to go to Contrast and you're going to put it to around 10%. Then you're going to go to Highlight and you're going to do minus 10%. Then you're going to go to Brilliance and you're going to adjust it to around 10% as well. So like plus 10. Then for exposure, I'm going to do plus 10. Actually, I think it might be a little bit too bright, so I'm just going to stick with the normal one. Let's go to the HSL section. Let's go to orange and let's go to tint, and we're going to put the tint at 10%, the saturation at minus 10. Then the lightness at 10%. Going to the yellow, we're going to do the same thing. Plus 10, minus 10, and plus 10. Whoops. Oops. I don't know why I keep on doing that. Okay. Let's go to this color, this light blue color. And then we're going to minus the saturation to 10% and adjust the lightness to 10%. Going to do the same thing for this one. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.